guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you my vlogging cameras, guys. So yeah, since many of you guys ask me what are the cameras that I use for vlogging, yes, so now I'm gonna show you. This is only a very short video, guys. So right now, guys, I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I use iPhones a lot, guys. It's easy and very convenient to me. Sometimes I take them all with me when I go for traveling, which is I'm going to travel very soon again. So I'm going to show you guys. So right here, we're gonna start the biggest one. Canon camera here. I got this tripod which is adjustable, guys. You can make it bigger and higher. And this is a Canon 1100D. I had this 10 years ago and still make great videos and photos with this, guys. I have this 9 months old camera, Sony A6400, guys. I bought this 9 months ago. It's really good also for vlogging. So now I also have this camcord camera, guys. You can hold like this. You can hold like that here. Yeah, and it will record. See, you can flip this to that, so you can also watch yourself if you do some selfie. This is a Sony Hd Handycam video camera. So another one, I have my latest one. Actually, this is my latest one, guys, my GoPro action camera. This is one of my favorite now, pretty handy. And yeah, this is like I got this last December as a Christmas gift. And another one is my latest phone, is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I use this a lot also for vlogging. The phone is the easiest, the most convenient one for vlogging, guys. And I have another here, iPhone 6s. I have mini iPad. I use that one also, guys. So that's it, guys. That's all the camera that I use for vlogging. Thank you for watching and bye bye.